and welcome to Baby Time at Home for our summer reading program, Oceans of Possibilities. I'm Miss Cynthia.
I'm Miss Carly.
I'm Miss Silvana.
We are so excited to share with you some ways that you can introduce early literacy to your little ones through music and movement in your own home.
That's right. And if you haven't already picked up one of our Baby Time at Home kits for June, you can pick those up at either of our Buckeye Public Libraries or the Bookmobile, while supplies last.
In your kit, along with other early literacy tools, you will find your own scarf, bubbles, and a literacy activity card.
A special thank you to the Friends of the Buckeye Public Library and the Rotary Club of Verado for funding the kits. This week, join us in singing The Fish in the Sea to the tune of the Wheels on the Bus. Now go ahead and grab your scarf, and we're going to sway it back and forth just like a fish. Now we'll go round and around like a dolphin, and then we're going to go up and down just like a wave. You ready, Miss Silvana?
Yes.
All right, let's do this. Here we go. The fish in the sea go swish, 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 swish. The fish in the sea go swish, swish, swish all day long. The dolphin in the sea go round and round, round and round, round and round. The dolphins in the sea go round and round all day long. Now the waves up and down. Ready? The waves in the sea go up and down, up and down, up and down. The waves in the sea go up and down all day long.
Good, Miss Cynthia, that is great. And also, it's great for you little ones by learning to grasp a scarf. Your baby's developing her fine motor skills in preparation for learning to grasp a ball, a crayon, and later on a pencil.
That's such a great tip.
You and your whole family can sign up for the summer reading program at maricopacountyreads.org and select the Buckeye Public Library.
Earn 1 point for every minute read. Just for watching today's video, enter the following code for additional points.
Thank you for joining us for Baby Time at Home. Join us next week for a new song and tip. Bye.
Bye.